Hi traders, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. I hope all of you are doing good. In today's video, we will definitely do our analysis on Bank Nifty, but we will also do analysis on Bitcoin. Yes, on Bitcoin we'll do an analysis and I will show you what kind of safe investment you can do in terms of explain you about the platform which you can use. I have come across various platforms on this particular cryptocurrency trading, but the most promising which I have come across, I will share that details with you, and I will also show you how you can get into this easily and what can be your investment and how you can ensure that it is safe even the market goes up or down. So let's get started with the video. We will go to trading view right now, and first we will look at the overall trend. First let's go to Bank Nifty. We'll first finish our Bank Nifty analysis. Bank Nifty on a weekly time frame is still looking positive because it has not broken the low of previous weeks. Okay, we are still in an uptrend with this condition, and super trend is also showing an uptrend for us. So on a weekly time frame, it's pretty much intact. The monthly time frame also, we have not broken any of the previous month's low. And let's go to a daily time frame. Daily time frame still sideways. The low for the previous day was 37650 and this was 37674. This is pretty high from the previous day's high. So still you cannot say that it is up or down, but still it's in a neutral territory. It has not taken any direction on both the sides. So if we have to look at it on a lower time frame, that is 1 hour time frame, so 1 hour time frame has given a good bullish candle. It is near 20 and it's a flat 20, and the red bar has been taken out by a green bar. So we need to wait and watch what will the market do, because it's in a very tight spot. As you can see, this is a zone. Okay, this is a resistance, and this is what is a support zone. So it's traveling in between these two zones. So we can expect some more sideways. Both sides, either it has to break this level or it has to break this level to go up. Even on a 3-minute time frame, you can see nicely it came and this pattern has formed, that is full 180 degrees pattern at a 20 period or a 200 period moving average. It's a good sign for us to go long there. After this, you can see the price had not retraced back to that level, so that at least at 50% level we price, if it had crossed the 50% level, then we could have accepted further rally, but it has completely gone down from there, and now it is in sideways zone. But if the market opens anywhere in this zone, okay, which is your previous 20 period, 200 period price, all are clustered together, and if it opens anywhere above this zone, that is 37,900, 37,914, then you can expect the rally to go back to 38,100 or 38,200. So RSI is also showing strength. So this is about Bank Nifty, and let's move to the next topic, which is Bitcoin, which is a very interesting topic which I want to cover and spend a little more time and explain you how even people with basic knowledge can get into this and try your hand at this, but at a safer bet. And for that also you need technical analysis, and you need to use the technical analysis what we are using for Bank Nifty or any other stock, the same way we apply this technical analysis on Bitcoin. So I'm on TradingView, and TradingView, you can see this is a Bitcoin chart. This is a 24-hour chart, and the market never sleeps here. So even on Sunday it is active. It is trading at 54,890 right now, and the trend is negative on a 3-minute time frame. But let's analyze this on a monthly time frame, what it has done in the past. So this was the zone. It was there for quite some time, that is October 3 years it has spent in this zone, and from there was a breakout and it has gone up. Okay, let's see. Let's use our Epic pen. Gosh, why is it taking so much time? Okay, I think we need to wait for it to come. Yep, there. So if you see, this was the zone Bitcoin for quite some time, 3 years. This was the zone. Okay, it gave a breakout from here and it went up to the high of 65,000, the high, and from there there's a drop. Now let's measure this drop till which level it has fallen. Okay, so what do we use to measure the level? We will use Fibonacci retracement and we will go to the lowest point. So as you can see, this has come to 50% zone. This was your 50% zone. It came here and from there it retraced back. So now if this high is taken out, okay, so how do you say that it's going to break this high? I'll tell you a simple thing. We have measured this move and we said 50%, it has bounced and from there it has gone up. Now we'll do the same thing for the drop. So let's see the drop. This was the drop. Okay, ideally if it has to fall down, it should retrace from this 50% level or even lesser than that. If the move is very strong, then ideally it should retrace from this level and come down. Okay, so this drop, this retracement and go down. If it has gone this far, 50%, then also it's fine. From there it can drop. But this has gone too far. It has already cleared the 60% level. It's touching the 78%. So this is the new bottom now. Okay, and it can go further high. It will break this level. Okay, and then it will take a support at this level, is 65,000. So there is a huge scope on Bitcoin that it can go a lot longer than what we can expect. So this is how you do analysis on a longer time frame. On a weekly time frame, I will show you our setup which we follow for all our investment ideas on stock. So we have done the same thing here, and the first entry which was missed by us is this one. It set its best of 20 period moving average. Red bar has been taken out by green bar, so this should be an ideal entry at 38,000, but anyways we have not got that entry. But which is the other best entry? Other best entry is when the price moved from here, then again it came back to 20, and again it has given the same pattern, which is at this level, okay, which is around 49 something, 49 to 54,000. So we have invested at this point, okay, and the price has already moved 4,000 points from there. So from 50,000 it's gone to 55,000. So what is the right way of investment? I'll show you a platform which I think is a good option for you to start trading. Okay, so now we are in this trade till the time our super trend 40,000 is not broken. The moment any candle closes below this super trend, we are out of the trade. Okay, when I say out of the trade, you're not going to close this trade. We will shift to another currency, or we can shift to USD, which will be the safest bet. So the best thing about the platform which I'm going to show you is that it has given a lot of good options. Okay, so I'm going to talk about Vault today. Okay, so this is a exchange come a trading platform of a cryptocurrency which is become quite popular in India. Okay, and lot of good support is there. I have tried it personally and I have already invested 50k, which has become 52,300 now. And what are my investment? I have invested half in Bitcoin and half in USD. Okay, so this platforms, what it does is actually gives you an option. After you complete your KYC and everything, you can choose that either you deposit in INR and then convert it to USDT. Okay, suppose you have invested 25k here, which I have done, and then you buy USDT, which is somewhere around 323. Okay, so you have converted your INR to USD, and then you can do a fixed deposit of that USD. What is the return you can expect from here? I'll show you. You will be surprised to see that the kind of returns you can expect from fixed deposits. The fixed deposit, if you are doing for USDT, it is 12.6% per annum. Okay, so this is a pretty decent rate. If you are converting your INR and then depositing as a USDT, you can earn up to 12.6. If you deposit your Bitcoin, you can earn up to 6.7% interest. Similarly, for all cryptos, they have given different rates. If you feel that cryptocurrency is very risky for me to invest, you can definitely go buy USDT and invest. Okay, and it is on auto renewal every 30 days. Either you can choose to withdraw this every 30 days and then reinvest the principal amount, or you can continue compounding it in the same thing. So right now, if you see, 13% has been completed for me, 17% has been completed for me. That is the duration of the number of days. And what is that we have earned? We can see it on the dashboard itself. So interest earned so far is about 4.88. So it's getting accumulated, and already our asset value which we have actually invested is about 50k, but it's already gone about 2.3, so which is 2,300, so which is close to about 5%. I think 5 into 5, 2,500 is 5%, close to 5% of returns what we're getting within a week's time where we have invested on Bitcoin. So how does this work? It's simple. Once you purchase your Bitcoin from here, you can trade and you get a beautiful dashboard where you can buy and sell. But here I'm not asking you to trade, I'm asking you to invest. The first step is that you go and invest your money into your account, complete the KYC, then you will be able to see like how much is the amount available for you to buy. Okay, so then what you do is you just simply come to, once you deposit INR, your INR will start appearing here. Then you can go and click on this, or you can just buy from here. There's also a referral program which they are running. So I'm going to put this link in my channel so that you can use this link if you want to open an account. So it's completely free and there are no charges for it, only trading charges which will be applicable, that is buying and selling. Rest all, there are no charges for this to withdraw. So feel free to try this software and invest only the amount which is comfortable for you, so that you are not thinking too much about this amount. And if this becomes double, it's more than good for you. Then you can start investing. The moment if you see that Bitcoin has given you good returns, you can book some of it and convert that into USD and do a fixed FD so that it can give you 12.68% of returns. So this is a very good platform. I would ask everybody to try this. So you can actually see there is a KYC verified, MAF enabled. So there is a lot of security also available on this, like fingerprint authentication is there on the mobile, and it's an exchange, so you can instantly buy and sell. So you can just see what is the INR amount you have. Suppose you have 1 lakh rupees. Okay, so this is the kind of Bitcoin you can get, and if you say when you have the amount, you can just, the buy button will be enabled, and then you can click on it. Instantly it happens in within seconds, and it is available for you. So this 0.023 will appear, start appearing in your asset, like how I am getting this amount here, 0.066. The amount invested was 27432. Actually I have invested only 25,000. It has gone 2,400 extra because the Bitcoin has moved, underlying has moved so much. It's all about right entry, and right entry is also very critical in every trade what we make. So how do we get the right entry? We analyze it, we take the right step, and we enter at the right time and exit at the right time. So don't go by tips providers, like if somebody is telling that you should invest, don't go blindly and invest at any point of time. You should always wait for an opportunity and buy. So I have invested at the right time, and it has given me immediate result. And there is also an option where you can do an AIP in this. Okay, AIP is like if you want to invest, automatic investment plan, and you can choose hedge against INR, all-in-one crypto, best of centralized tokens, decentralized everything. So you can invest in multiple assets so that you can create a basket of your investments, and it is completely, there are not much of charges compared to banks, and banks will not give this kind of flexibility and returns. Any point of time you just want to encash, you can put in a request, sell it, get the money into your account back. So my account details are already filled in, it comes right back into my account. So this way you can try your hand. I'm not saying because crypto is completely new, but you need to understand that it is definitely having a lot of momentum, and will go really high till the time we can see some kind of reversal. So since we are uh, good at technical analysis, we can definitely identify when the price is going to reverse, and then we can take immediate action, and we don't have to worry. If this stops growing, we will shift our money, we'll book profit here, and then find some other currency where we can invest. So it's not a problem at all. There are so many currencies available where you can invest, but this is a very good platform where we are getting such beautiful FD returns, which are not offered by any of the banks in India. So that's a short video for you, and short uh, you know uh, analysis on Bank Nifty as well. I hope you can try this platform and see how it works. I will put the referral link for you below the video so that you can try this platform and invest in little amount. And this is not a thing which you're going to do it as a trading. You have to invest and keep it for years, because Bitcoin uh, can be the next game changer. Because what happens is fiat currencies, the normal currencies, are printed every year just to manage inflation, but Bitcoin is something which is already created and nobody can create more. The value will go higher and higher as you keep distributing it to multiple people. It's like you have a precious thing, and you cannot put a value to it. The more the demand, the more the price. Simple logic. It will keep on going till the time something major happens, because it's on a blockchain technology. I don't think any government can control it, or anybody can do anything to this, and this is going to grow a long way. And you can see a lot of apps coming into the Indian market, as well as government is also allowing them, and there are ads which will run on the TV, and people are coming with such kind of innovative ideas, and this is the right time. Initially, when they're giving you such kind of lucrative offers, you should take it and grab your piece of cake, and then move to a different trade. Not think too much. You're not going to spend all your life on this. Whenever you get the momentum, you get in, make your money, get out, find something else. That's it. You shouldn't love your trades, you shouldn't love your stocks. It's like that. So the only reason why you're trading or why you're investing is to make money. That agenda should be pretty clear, and there's no deviation from that. Okay guys, that's it for this week, and thank you so much for watching, and please do subscribe and share your comments, and what are the topics you want me to cover. I will definitely get into those things. I hope you are liking my videos. Thank you so much for watching.